Hello students, welcome back to Let Us Master English. Students, in my previous 6 videos on determiners, I have taught you all types of determiners. That is, articles, demonstratives, this, that, these, those, then possessives, my, your, his, her, indefinite, adjectives, some, many, little, many, much, with which we come to know about the quantity but not the exact quantity, then the distributives, cardinal and ordinal numbers. Today in this video, I'm going to solve the exercise on gap filling and editing which was given in lecture 6. And students, in your exam also, you are asked to fill in the gaps or question on editing is also there. So this topic is very important for you. I hope you all would have solved the exercise. So please pick up your notebooks and let's check the answers. So let's get started. Now students, this is the question. Fill in the blanks choosing the correct words from the given options. So here you are given 4 options out of which you have to choose the most appropriate one to fill in the blank. First one, the dash day. Options are some, any, other, another. So here students, you have to use the other day. The other day means the next day or the preceding day. So it is used for tomorrow or yesterday. The other day when I was going for a walk, I heard someone shriek. So here we have to use someone, somebody was there. I looked up in the direction of the hill, the direction from where somebody was shrieking, and saw dash boy standing on the ridge of a rock. So here the narrator is talking about a boy in general who was standing. So that's why here we will fill a boy. He had ascended dash rock, all right, but was unable to climb down. See students, now in the previous sentence it was ridge of a rock because it is mentioned for the first time. Now in this sentence rock is mentioned for the second time. So now we are talking about the specific rock on which that boy was standing. So here we will use the rock, all right, but was unable to climb down. By the time I reached him, I was exhausted. So the phrase is like this: by the time, by the way. So here the is required. So I hope you have checked your answers. Let's move on to the next slide. Now students, here you can see the question on editing. The following passage has not been edited. There is one error in each of the lines. Write the incorrect word and the correction in your answer sheet as given below. Remember to underline the word you have supplied. Now students, in question of editing, in each line there is one error. And what you have to do is, you have to write your answer like this as it is mentioned on right hand side. You need not copy the paragraph. So first you have to write the wrong word, that is the incorrect word, and after that you have to write the correction and you have to underline it. Sometimes in your paper, first you write the correct word, then the wrong word. And that way your marks are deducted. So please remember it. First you have to write the wrong word and then the correct word. Now first line example is there. Good manners are needed anywhere. So it should be everywhere. So in place of any, the correct word is every. because good manners are needed everywhere. Here are the few for those who use telephone. So manners for using telephone are told here. So students, in place of the few. Now in my previous videos I have told you the difference between a few and the few. A few means some. So here are a few for those who use telephone. So in place of the, we should write a. Instead of saying hello, tell their name or telephone number pleasantly. Now students, here the possessive used is wrong. So here it should be tell your name. In place of there, it should be your. Tell your name or telephone number pleasantly when you lift this receiver to answer a call. In place of this, it should be the receiver. Of course, the receiver of your phone, that specific phone. That's why the is required here. Greet an caller pleasantly. So the answer is very obvious. Caller starts with a consonant sound. So before it we cannot use an. So here we are talking about the particular person who has called. That is why we will use the here. Greet the caller pleasantly. When you are making the call, allow at least a minute. So now here we are talking about a call in general. जब भी आप फोन करते हो, किसी को कॉल करते हो, so in place of the call it should be a call. When you are making a call, allow at least a minute for that one called to reach the telephone. So students, here in place of that it should be the. You should give some time to the person whom you have called to come, reach the telephone and pick up the receiver instead of disconnecting the call. So I hope you have understood how to solve this exercise on editing. So students, thank you very much for listening to my video. And for more such videos, kindly subscribe to my channel. And please do not forget to press the bell icon for the latest updates. Soon I'll be uploading more videos. Thank you very much. Please subscribe, like, and keep sharing my videos.